Okay, let's keep going. Let's use ChatGPT to help us write a macro to resize our charts in Excel. As you're going to see in this video, it doesn't always work right the first time. But what's great is that you don't actually need to be an expert VBA coder, of which I am not, to be able to get ChatGPT to write you the code that's going to work. It's really easy to run and test VBA code. So watch this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there are other things that you want to learn about using AI in your Excel workflow. Okay, let's see what else we can get ChatGPT to do for us. I've got some dummy data here. I've got a regular chart, 3 inches by 5 inches. That's the default size in Excel. Now, if I want to change this, I could do it manually. I could use the mouse, or I could go and type in the new numbers. But let's ask ChatGPT to write us a VBA to do this, so that we have just a button. Can you write a VBA macro for Excel that changes the dimensions of a selected graph to, let's just make it something so we can see it's different, to 4 inches tall by 7 inches wide. And let's see what it does. And we'll just wait here. It's going to think a little bit. Obviously, it's got to write all that code out. So we'll see what happens. And there we go. Okay, there we go. So let's see what we got. We've got a couple of shapes. Now, like every time I run this code, I get something a little bit different, right? And what it's doing here is converting inches to points, which is what Excel works in. It does have a selection here. So let's see if this works. Now, of course, if I was worried about selling this code, it might be a different story. But if it's just for me, let's just make sure it works. So let's create a new macro. We'll just make this in this workbook. I'm just going to name it anything. I'll go in here and paste it over. Resize selected chart. So let's see if this works. Select the chart, go back to macros and run it. Oh, please select chart first. So something's wrong, right? So something is wrong with this code. It's not working. So let's go back to ChatGPT. That code isn't working. It just tells me to select a chart first. So let's see what it tries. So, thanks for the clarification. See, selection. And that's the part that I was worried about, because active chart is what we want. And again, I'm not an awesome VBA coder, but I know some of the key pieces. So, and we could also not have this inches to points as double, right? We could actually just do this math. But let's try this code instead. Let's go back over to our macros. Here, we're going to edit this one, and I'll just overwrite it. Still the same name, Resize active chart. Now let's go back to macros and let's rerun it. And now we've got this chart. If I go to chart design, over to format, I can see it's 4 inches by 7 inches. So that's how we could do this. Let's take it one step further. Can you extend this to resizing all of the charts in my Excel workbook to that 4 by 7 inch dimension, right? So let's say I've created all these charts for my report, but I'm going to drop them in somewhere else. So I need them all to be the same. And so this is going to grab everything, right? It's going to grab all of my charts. And so we'll see if this works. So I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to create a new one. And I'll do the same thing that I always do. And here I'm going to replace this one. So resize all charts and workbooks. Let's close that. And let's just make some charts. So I'm just going to make a bunch of them here. And just bear with me a second. Okay, so I've got a few here. Let's drop a few in over here. Let's also make whatever. I mean, we're just going to make a few charts here. And just so they're all kind of different, I'll do one of each. Let's see if I can create a line chart with markers. Okay, so I've got 3 charts here, and I've got, and we're going to take this chart and we'll just make it really small. All right, so I've got 3 charts on each side. So when I use this macro, it should make all of those charts the same size. Resize all charts in workbook. Let's run it. All chart size is 7 by 4. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And so that's how you can use ChatGPT to write macros for you without having to know any VBA code.